अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, आफियत से होंगे। और मैं आपका उस्ताद मोहतरम हर वक्त अल्लाह ताला से दुआ गो रहता हूँ कि आप जहाँ भी रहे खुशहाल रहे और आबाद रहे, और आप ऑलवेज अपनी सोसाइटी को बेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूट करने की कोशिश करिए। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू ऑल आर अवेयर अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट वी शुड नॉट ओनली वर्क हार्ड but work smartly as well. Time demands work not only to work hard but smartly work as well. Dear students, the topic which I am going to discuss today with you is the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. Dear students, you know that by this act the political scenario, rather the political landscape of J&K got totally changed. The relations between Jammu and Kashmir with the rest of India, with Central, got totally changed. Dear students, in this topic we have to discuss the political condition on the eve of 1947. We have also to discuss Article 370 and 35A. We have also to discuss in this topic the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act and its futures. Now, dear students, I will give you a brief information about the political scenario of J&K on the eve of 1947. Dear students, as you all know that India before 1947 was ruled by Britishers. In British times, there were, dear students, two types of states. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है कि 1947 से पहले हिंदुस्तान पे ब्रिटिशर्स की हुकूमत हुआ करती थी, एंड ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश टाइम्स देयर वर टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेट्स. ब्रिटिश रूल के दौरान, ब्रिटिश एम्पायर के दौरान, ब्रिटिश हुकूमत के दौरान हिंदुस्तान में दो तरफ की रियासतें थी. वन वर दो स्टेट्स विच वर डायरेक्टली अंडर द रूल ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स. Under the type of states were those states where there were indirect rule of Britishers, and those states were called princely state. Dear students, in 1947, you know that India got independence. Not only India got independence, but India got partitioned as well. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हिंदुस्तान के दो हिस्से हो गए. One is of Pakistan, another that is India. There were most of the states which joined India, and some princely states joined Pakistan. They were given choice either to join India or Pakistan. So far J&K is concerned, the ruler of J&K was Maharaja Hari Singh. He was a Dogra ruler. He was given choice either to join Pakistan or India, but he was having different in his mind. He neither wanted to join India nor with Pakistan. What happened? Due to political uncertainty, he finally signed an instrument of accession that is also called IOA, an instrument of accession. Maharaja Hari Singh on 26 October 1947 signed an instrument of accession with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Prime Minister of India. So far this instrument is concerned, historians believe that it was temporary in nature. And this instrument of accession, IOA, gave Indian Parliament the power to legislate in respect of J&K on matters of defense, communication, foreign affairs. Dear students, instrument of accession, it was a type of bond between India and Pakistan, India and people of J&K. And this agreement was on three aspects, three subjects: defense, communication, and foreign affairs. Rest J&K was given full freedom. And in Indian Constitution, Article 370 was after the accession plan, after the instrument of accession. Article 370 was incorporated in the Constitution of India, and this Article 370 gave special status to J&K, conferring it with special certain powers जैसा कि आपको पता है कि डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आर्टिकल 370 is guaranteed by that was guaranteed by Constitution of J&K to people of J&K. People are under this article and also under Article 335A, people of J&K were given special privileges, special rights. Under Article 370, there was a provision of separate constitution, separate flag, full internal autonomy. Article 230A was not applicable to J&K state. Dear students, under this article 370, J&K within India was a country. Likewise that. Dear students, this article 370, it was in the manifesto of BJP to abrogate this article. It was the main demand of BJP to abrogate this article, and finally this article 370 and 35A was abrogated by government of Narendra Modi, BJP government, and finally on 5th August 2019. Dear students, on 5th August 2019, Home Minister of India, आप सभी को पता है कि होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया इज अमित शाह, he discussed a bill in the parliament, in both the houses of the parliament, and he submitted a bill regarding the abrogation of article 370, and this bill was passed by both the houses on 6th August, and President of India issued order making inoperative of article 370 on 6th August 2019. Dear students, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हिंदुस्तान के प्रेसिडेंट ने इस आर्टिकल को एक स्पेशल ऑर्डर के थ्रू null and void करार दिया, and finally Jammu and Kashmir reorganization bill was passed by Rajya Sabha on 5th August and by Lok Sabha on 6th August. This Jammu and Kashmir reorganization bill, it received the assent of President of India. President of India, जैसे आपको पता है, is Ramnath Kovind, and this article Jammu and Kashmir reorganization bill received the assent of President of India on 9th August 2019. This article, as you know, it came into effective from October 31, 2019, and you know that under this article J&K state, it was earlier a state, it was divided into two parts. One was made Union Territory of Ladakh, another was made Jammu and Kashmir was made Union Territory, and also in other words I can say, under this Reorganization Act, J&K got divided into two parts. One part is Union Territory of Ladakh, another part is Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, which is comprised of 20 districts. Ladakh comprised of 2 districts. Now, dear students, and we will discuss the main features of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act. Main feature of this act is formation of Union Territory of Ladakh. Ladakh Union Territory came into being on 31st October 2019. Union Territory of Ladakh shall be without legislature, under direct control of President of India, and shall be administered by LG, Lieutenant Governor. Dear student, in case of J&K formation of Union Territory of J&K Union Territory came into being on 31st October 2019. Here, main difference between Union Territory of Ladakh and Union Territory of J&K is that the Legislative Assembly of J&K J&K was given was provided legislative assembly under this act, while as Ladakh was made, there was no provision of legislative assembly. As far as another future of J&K, this act is concerned, and that is Act of Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. Common High Court for both Union Territory of Ladakh and Union Territory of J&K, that is Jammu and Kashmir High Court. Jammu and Kashmir High Court was made Common High Court for both Union Territory of Ladakh as well as Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Another feature of this act is reservation. There was a provision of separate reservation for OBCs, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes. Not only this, dear students, there was also a provision that is Lieutenant Governor can nominate 2 women members to the Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir. Dear students, another provision of this article was that the Legislative Assembly of J&K of Union Territory shall have 107 seats, out of which 24 shall be reserved for the residents of Pakistan administered Kashmir, which is called by Pakistan Azad Kashmir. 24 seats were reserved for POK, Pakistan administered Kashmir. Dear students, I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. I wish all the best. Thanks.